Welcome to Parsimony, your all-in-one business management solution. In this tutorial, we'll explore the pricing rule feature in the items and pricing subfunction of the buying module. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of how to create and manage pricing rules for efficient purchasing. To begin, let's navigate to the buying module in the Parsimony dashboard. Click here to access the buying-related functions. Once you're in the buying module, locate the Items and Pricing tool. This tool allows you to manage various item-related functions, including pricing rules. Click on the Pricing Rule option to see existing lists. To create a new pricing rule, click on the Add button. In the pricing rule form, you'll find different fields and sections to configure the rule. Start by entering a unique name for the pricing rule. This will help you identify and manage the rule effectively. Specify whether the pricing rule is applicable for buying, selling, or both. This determines the context in which the rule will be triggered. Define the condition under which the pricing rule should be applied. This can be based on various criteria such as item group, item code, or brand. Specify the action to be taken when the condition is met. You can choose to apply a percentage discount, set a fixed price, or perform other actions. Once you've configured the pricing rule, click on the Save button to create it. A confirmation message will appear, indicating that the pricing rule has been created successfully. Congratulations! You've learned how to use the pricing rule feature in the items and pricing subfunction of the buying module. Streamline your purchasing processes with Parsimony's powerful pricing rule functionality.